Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the apps section, then go to the special app access, then go to the install unknown apps, and here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. So let's pick for example Chrome. You just allow from this source and now you can install unknown applications through the Google Chrome as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.